Questions About War podcast, production by Lynn and Dave. Episode 4. India plans to sell 2,500 T-72 tanks and replace with modern tanks. AI. Here are the key points from the page. India's tank sale. India is considering selling up to 2,500 T-72 tanks after major overhauls and upgrades. Potential buyers. Countries from Africa, the Middle East, and Asia are likely interested, with speculation that Russia could be among them. Modernization. Upgrades will include improvements to the fire control system, armor, and mobility. Neutral stance. India maintains a neutral position in the Russia-Ukraine conflict and continues trade relations with both countries. Human. What tanks will India replace them with? AI. India plans to replace its aging T-72 tanks with future-ready combat vehicles, FRCVs. This ambitious project aims to produce 1,770 next-generation main battle tanks by 2030. These FRCVs will feature advanced technologies such as AI, drone integration, and active protection systems. Additionally, India has developed the Atharva tank, a hybrid combining elements of the T-72 and T-90S tanks. This upgraded tank enhances firepower, armor, and situational awareness. Is there a specific feature of these new tanks that interests you? Human. Tell me more about the future-ready combat vehicles. AI. The future-ready combat vehicles, FRCVs, are India's next-generation main battle tanks, designed to replace the aging T-72 tanks. Here are some key features and details about the FRCVs. Key features. Advanced technology. Incorporates AI, drone integration, and active protection systems to enhance battlefield effectiveness. High mobility. Designed for superior mobility across various terrains, ensuring rapid deployment and operational flexibility. Enhanced firepower, equipped with a powerful 1,500 horsepower engine and advanced weaponry, including a main gun with a range of up to 5,000 meters and secondary armaments like coaxial and anti-aircraft machine guns. Crew and weight. The tank will have a crew of 4 and weigh around 55 tons, making it transportable by existing aircraft, ships, trains, and road infrastructure. Survivability. Features multi-layered protection, including active protection systems, APS, and passive armor, providing robust defense against various threats. Situational awareness. Fully digitized architecture for real-time data sharing and decision-making support. Development and induction. Production. India plans to produce 1,770 FRCVs in a phased manner, with the first units expected to be inducted by 2030. Strategic partnership. The project will involve collaboration with foreign original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, and Indian defense industries, promoting indigenization and technological advancements. Operational capabilities. Hunter-killer mode allows the tank commander to search and designate targets for automatic engagement. Automatic target detection and tracking. Equipped with sensors capable of acquiring and tracking targets in a lock-on mode. Manned-unmanned teaming, capable of integrating with unmanned systems for enhanced operational flexibility. The FRCVs are designed to ensure that the Indian Army remains equipped to handle emerging threats and maintain a technological edge on the battlefield for the next several decades. Is there a specific aspect of the FRCVs that you find particularly interesting or would like to know more about? Human. How does the FRCV compare to other modern tanks? AI. The future-ready combat vehicles, FRCVs, are designed to be on par with, if not superior to, many of the world's leading main battle tanks. Here's a comparison with some notable modern tanks. FRCV versus M1 Abrams, USA. Firepower. Both tanks feature advanced main guns, but the FRCV's integration of AI and drone support could provide a tactical edge. Protection. The M1 Abrams is renowned for its composite armor and active protection systems. The FRCV aims to match this with multi-layered protection and advanced APS. Mobility. Both tanks are designed for high mobility, but the FRCV's focus on all-terrain capabilities and a powerful 1,500 horsepower engine ensures it can keep pace with the Abrams. FRCV versus Leopard 2, Germany. Firepower. The Leopard 2's 120mm smoothbore gun is highly effective, and the FRCV's main gun is expected to be comparable, with added AI-assisted targeting. Protection. The Leopard 2 has excellent armor and defensive systems. The FRCV's combination of passive and active protection systems aims to provide similar, if not superior, survivability. Mobility. Both tanks are designed for rapid deployment and operational flexibility, with the FRCV emphasizing advanced mobility solutions. FRCV versus T-14 Armata, Russia. Firepower. The T-14 Armata features a 125mm smoothbore gun with an autoloader. The FRCV's main gun, combined with AI and drone integration, aims to offer a competitive edge. Protection. The T-14 is known for its unmanned turret and advanced armor. The FRCV's multi-layered protection and APS are designed to counter similar threats. Mobility. Both tanks are highly mobile, but the FRCV's focus on all-terrain capabilities and advanced engine technology ensures it remains competitive. FRCV versus Challenger 2, UK. Firepower. The Challenger 2's rifled gun is unique among modern tanks. The FRCV's main gun, with advanced targeting systems, aims to provide similar precision and lethality. Protection. The Challenger 2 is known for its robust armor. The FRCV's multi-layered protection and APS are designed to offer comparable, if not superior, defense. Mobility. Both tanks are designed for high mobility, with the FRCV emphasizing advanced mobility solutions to match the Challenger 2's capabilities. Key advantages of the FRCV. AI and drone integration enhances situational awareness and battlefield effectiveness. Advanced protection systems combines passive and active defenses for superior survivability. High mobility, designed for rapid deployment across various terrains. Future-proofing incorporates cutting-edge technology to remain relevant for decades. The FRCV is designed to ensure that the Indian Army remains equipped to handle emerging threats and maintain a technological edge on the battlefield for the next several decades. Human. See you next time on Questions About War podcast.